Atongoria wa Kenya Kwanza matongoretio ni minister wa maai Alice Wahome nioretie kanitha kunyita itemi hari gukumithia mirurungano iria iracungereria uthukangia wa indo bururi-ini na ndumiriri yake imenyithanitie akorirwo akimenyithania ari kuria mwena wa mbere ya irathiro guku ni county ya Embu hindi ya kuriguria tafarira cia maai thiini wa county ino toria maina wa mucwe aratariria.
Minister wa maai Alice Wahome ni Atongoria Kenya Kwanza arikuregana na mirurungano iracungererio ni mung'ethaniro akihoya kanitha kunyita itemi hari kumikumithia kuona mathina mamwe maria bururi uragerera nio kihumo kuna mari ku thirikari-ini hetuku.
We have told these people, the leaders, that it is not going to be accepted by our government. Na hakuna mwananchi anataka fujo na ghasia.
Alice ayanita ndumiriri yake ari mbere ya rugongo kaunti ya Embu nyiriri ati Atongoria Kenya Kwanza ni matuite matua marumu makumuhinyiriria William Ruto kuregana na ngeithi hamwe gatagati.
We are not willing as his partners in this government to go for handshake or dialogue, because one person cannot for all these years be the one creating problems every 5 years after losing the elections.
Mwena-ini wake gavana wa Embu Simbarile niranire ati aikari a Embu matikunyita itemi hari kururungana guku undu gwitikirio tumuraga ya kaunti-ini ino huku nake mubunge wa mbere ya rugongo Geoffrey Ruku akihithuria atongoria amwe wa Azimio na maramunyita mbaru hari kuregana na mirurungano ino.
Hatuna time ya maandamano Embu County. Sisi kazi yetu ni kupanda chakula, kujitayarisha, kungojea ile kazi ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Tunajua mambo ni magumu, cost of living imeenda juu, lakini we know the president has a good plan for this country.
That's why I decided to come with a bill going to put into effect the two conditions in Article 37 of our Constitution to ensure we will always have peaceful demonstrations.
Atongoria ya mariti hindi ya kurugurio gwa tafarira cia maai mbere ya rugongo ikirigirwo gukinyaniria urimi. Alice Wahome kuga ni igite keheri bilioni 8 iguo gukinyaniria tafarira ici.
Pesa kuwa ni dogo kwa serikali. We are now engaging private partners for us to be able to do water storage through construction of huge dams. And we are at very advanced stage in terms of planning. We have a lot of interest.
Adwini Hamudingi TV, rekoni maina wa musho.